Pop quiz. What's the most common Spanish word you hear when meeting someone new? Here's a hint. It starts with H and makes people smile. It's hola, the easiest way to say hi in Spanish. One word and you're already making a connection. In this video, you'll learn how to say hello in Spanish, morning, noon, or night, and how to introduce yourself step by step. Start the day with Buenos días. That's good morning, perfect for school or saying hi before noon. Then, from noon to evening, it's Buenas tardes. Use it after lunch when the sun's still out. And at night, say Buenas noches. It works for both hello and goodbye after dark. Can't remember the time? Just say Hola. It always works. Easy, right? Now, let's introduce ourselves. Let's say me llamo and your name. For example,
Me llamo Sara.
and when someone shares their name, say
Mucho gusto.
that means nice to meet you. Let's try it together. Hola, me llamo Diego. Mucho gusto. Say each greeting out loud 3 times. The more you say it, the more natural it feels. Use word associations to help you remember. Días equals daylight. Tardes sounds like tired. An easy way to remember it's afternoon. Lastly, noches sounds like notches, as in marking notches on a log to count the nights of a camping trip. Let's test your memory. What's the right greeting at 10 in the morning? Is it Hola, Buenas noches, or Buenos días? Got it? The answer is Buenos días because 10 a.m. is still morning. Well done. Quick recap. Morning, Buenos días. Afternoon, Buenas tardes. Evening or night, Buenas noches. And anytime, Hola. Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for study guides and flashcards on this topic so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Ready? Let's jump back in. Don't forget to say your name. Use me llamo. To greet someone who introduces themselves, say
Mucho gusto.
mistake alert. Don't say mi nombre es. While it's understandable, it's less common in casual conversation. Stick with me llamo. Fun fact. In many Spanish-speaking countries, greetings include a handshake, hug, or even a cheek kiss. It depends on the place and the relationship. Meanwhile, after someone says
Mucho gusto.
you can respond with Igualmente. It means likewise. Want to sound more natural? Add a smile and say
Encantado.
if you're male, or
Encantada.
if you're female. This literally means enchanted or delighted. In other words, you're saying I'm delighted to meet you. A warm, friendly response that makes introductions feel more genuine and welcoming. Spanish greetings can vary by country. In Argentina, for example, people often say, Che, ¿cómo va? Instead of, ¿Cómo estás? It's a friendly, casual way to ask how someone's doing. In Spain, you might hear just Buenas, a relaxed way of saying any greeting, like good morning or good evening. It's short, friendly, and very common in daily life. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.